Hey everybody, just a quick video to help out going through Lab 1, particularly the data analysis Toolpack, to make sure you've got that installed. There's some directions to do that, but a quick video might be helpful if you want to look at it in the discussion section here. First of all, a couple things. When you go to your Google Share Drive, make sure that you don't just download the Excel folder for this, but also the Lab Word document. This is super helpful. Okay, it looks like this. It's got screenshots, okay, especially for the data analysis Toolpack portion, which is what I'm sort of walking you through here. But it goes on several pages, and it's going to be very helpful in allowing you to get through the lab. So the Excel document looks like this, and slide up here so you can see. So when I'm at my home screen for Excel, and I go through these tabs, insert, draw, etc. When I go to the data tab, you'll notice all the way out here to the right, I have a data analysis tab. Okay? If you don't have that, you're going to want to follow this step first so that you'll have it. And this is in the screenshots in the Word document that I just posted up here. These are the same steps that this document will walk you through. But you're going to go down to let me just go back to my document. So here I'm at my document. If I go to my File tab up here at the top, all the way down at the bottom, you'll see Options. Okay, so you're going to click on Options, all right, and then you're going to go to Add-ins. So you click on Options, you get this pop-up window. You're going to go to Add-ins. All right, now we're coming up on the part that usually mixes people up. You're going to go to Analysis Toolpack. I think the Toolpack VBA will work just the same, but I'm just going to click on Analysis Toolpack. See how it's highlighted in blue? And what I want to click next, you have to make sure you follow these directions and pay attention. Don't click the wrong thing. This is highlighted in blue. I'm clicking Go now. I'm going to click Go next. Okay? Don't click OK. Click Go here. So I hit Go and I get this option. We can check everything if you want, but we mainly want this Analysis Toolpack VBA. Okay? I'm going to click OK. And for all intents and purposes, it may seem like nothing has happened or changed here, but now when you go to your Data tab, you should have the Data Analysis tab there. Okay? And what that's going to allow you to do in the first part here, I think we're looking for the descriptive stats for weight, right? So if I click on weight, okay, if I go to my data analysis now, I can now use this and I can go grab those descriptive statistics, okay? And it's going to ask me for my input range, and that's where I can click on that column. If you highlight this so that weight is selected, the word weight, then you're going to want to make sure you check this box that says label in first row. Sometimes you're just going to select the numbers, especially if you're doing a formula, but here this should work out. But make sure this gets checked if your word weight is checked. Otherwise, this is going to be very confusing for Excel. It's not going to be aware that that's a label. It's not going to make sense to find descriptive statistics for a word. Okay. Also, what we want here is summary statistics. Right? That's going to give us our mean and median and so on. All right. So when I click OK, I get my little descriptive statistics box, and you have the directions in your lab here. We can play around with this and enlarge it and so on. All right. So give it a shot.